everyone, I'm Justin Claire Diles, Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies, second year Block C. In this video, I am going to share with you how to parse a sentence, or also known as tree diagramming. I will only give 3 examples, one for simple sentence, one for compound sentence, and one for complex sentence. So, let's start.
Let's start with a simple sentence. Simple sentence is one complete subject and one complete predicate. For example, a girl played under the sun. Our complete subject here is a girl, and our complete predicate is played under the sun. A girl here is our noun, and played is our verb. In making a tree diagramming, make sure to identify first the two constituents in the sentence and the function of each word. Now let's create a tree diagram. When making a tree diagram, always put an S on the most top to indicate the sentence. Second, put two branches to our two constituents, the NP or noun phrase and VP for verb phrase. As we go down below, the things are getting too deeper. You need to account each phrase and have to expand each note. Refer to the example given above. As I have mentioned earlier, our complete subject is a girl, which is our NP. Now all you have to do is to identify the function of each word. First, the word a is a determiner, so you need to draw another branch for determiner. That for the short determiner and put the word below it by putting another branch, like this. Same with the second word, girl. The word girl is the head word of our NP, so this is a noun. On our VP, our verb here is played. On the other hand, let's have PP or short for prepositional phrase, since our prepositional phrase modifies the verb by using the word under. Let's have another set of NP or noun phrase for determiner the and the noun sun. So we are done with a simple sentence. Now let's have a compound sentence. A compound sentence contains two or more sentences joined by a comma or conjunction. I have here an example. My older brother studied law and my younger sister studied medicine. So our compound subject here is my older brother and my younger sister. Since it is a compound sentence, we have also two compound predicate, which is studied law and studied medicine. So our both verb here or predicate here is studied. So let's have our tree diagramming. Again, always put an S to indicate the sentence. So since it is a compound sentence, we have three branches for IC or independent clause and for CC for coordinating conjunction. Let's start with the IC. Draw and branch, two branch of noun phrase and verb phrase. Since our noun phrase or determiner here is my, and another branch for noun phrase, adjective, older, and the noun brother. So on our verb phrase, we have two branches for verb, studied, and another noun phrase for noun, law. So since, again, it is a compound sentence, we use the word and to indicate the compound sentence. So same with the other branch or the other independent clause, we have two branches for noun phrase and verb phrase. First, the determiner, my, and another set for noun phrase, adjective for younger, and noun for sister. So for verb phrase, we have the verb studied and then another noun set of noun phrase, noun medicine. So that is our complete sentence. Let's proceed with a complex sentence. A complex sentence has one main clause or more subordinate clauses. A main clause has a subject and predicate and can stand alone, while subordinate clause has subject and predicate and cannot stand alone. So I have here an example. During the lunch, I ordered adobo from the carinderia. So our subordinate clause here is during the lunch, and our main clause is I ordered adobo from the carinderias. Our noun here is I, and the ordered word here is our verb. So let's proceed with the tree diagramming. So again, always put an S on the top to indicate the sentence, and two branches for noun phrase and verb phrase. So since during is an adjective phrase, during, and the determiner we use here is the word the, and another set of branch for the noun lunch. So on our verb phrase, we have a noun phrase, which is the pronoun I, and the verb phrase, verb ordered, and another set of verb phrase or another set of noun phrase, which is the noun adobo. So another three branch of verb phrase, we have the PP or prepositional phrase, which is the P that the pronoun from, and another set of noun phrase, which is the determiner the, and the noun carinderia. So
And that concludes our video. I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.